Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Take a look. The latest work of Spotify Camp Nou. The steel A&F framework is under YA for main structure of upper tiers. With just a few months left until Barca fans return to the Spotify Camp Nou, the progress of the new stadium is becoming more visible. There are hopes of seeing the team back at Aristides Mayol next December, as planned, which is exciting news for fans. Workers have started testing the new lighting that will surround the stadium. In the video, you can see powerful LED panels that will illuminate all the rings on the outside of the Culé Temple, similar to the Allianz Arena style. According to reliable sources, the Barca Board of Directors has marked Sunday, December 15th as the reopening date for the Spotify Camp Nou. Originally, the board wanted to reopen the Camp Nou on the club's 125th anniversary, November 29th, which falls on a Friday. However, they have decided to take their time and plan to request the league to schedule the first league match at the Camp Nou on December 15th. This game would be one of the last before the Christmas break. It is expected that 60% of the total capacity, around 63,000 seats, will be allowed to be occupied out of the planned 105,000 seats.